Dear students, now I'm going to tell you some basic features of organic compounds, some properties that are shared by almost all the organic compounds or the hydrocarbons. So up till now we have discussed about the historical aspects, the old idea of vital force theory, and the new and modern definition of organic chemistry. Now I'm going to tell you in detail about some features of organic compounds. Now there are 7 basic features that are shared by almost all the organic compounds, and these include the peculiar nature of carbon, the non-ionic character of organic compounds, the similarity in behavior, the complexity of organic compounds, the isomerism, the rates of organic reactions, and the solubility. So, the first one is the peculiar nature of carbon. Now, as we all know that carbon is the fundamental element which is present in all the organic compounds. So, carbon has the ability to form large number of organic compounds, and there are millions of organic compounds known at present. Means we know that millions of organic compounds are synthesized up till now. The main reason why there are millions of organic compounds that have been formed so far is that carbon has the property of linking with its own atoms. Carbon has the ability to form long chains or rings with its own atoms. This is an example of a chain, and similarly carbon can form rings as well. So this property of carbon with self linking or linking with its own atom this property of carbon is known as catenation. So because of this property, carbon is able to form long chains. So you can say in some compounds there is only 1, then 2 carbons, then 3 carbons, then 4, and like that, so on. So carbon also forms stable, single and multiple bonds with other atoms. Carbon has the ability to form a single bond, a double bond, and a triple covalent bond with other atoms including oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. And this also results in the formation of numerous compounds of various sizes, shapes, and structures. Now, the second property is that there is non-ionic character of organic compounds. There is non-ionic character of organic compounds. All the organic compounds that are currently present, they have only covalent bonds. Carbon forms covalent bonds with itself and with other atoms. There is no ionic bond. So these compounds are not involved in any of the ionic reactions. Now the third property is Similarity in behavior. Now, all the organic compounds have basic element carbon present in them. Because of that, there is a close relationship between different organic compounds. We can say there is a close relationship between different organic compounds because their parent element is same. This can be exemplified by the existence of homologous series. We will discuss what is homologous series. It can be generally defined as a group of organic compounds with similar properties and characteristics. This similarity in behavior has reduced the study of millions of compounds to only a few homologous series. Means you can study one family at a time and you can study the characteristics of all members of that homologous series. Now let us discuss some more features of organic compounds.